Morning everyone. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Clark Airport. Papunta kami ni Baba sa Thailand. But they're still closed.
Gate number 9. Gate number 9.
O ba o? Bumili muna ako ng Gold Deluxe. Open. Full Boron. At Mamon. Ayan. Still more 3 hours pa before boarding time.
Yeah, it's a plane.
Maglalakad-lakad muna kami ni Baba dito. Ayan, para hindi kami mainip dahil mamaya pa ang aming boarding time. It's only 3:05. Paalis kami mamayang 6:30. So 3 hours pa more. So walking muna tayo dito ba? Ang ganda ng Clark Airport ngayon. Maraming coffee shop din dito. Third, rest muna kami. Wala kaming tulog magmula kagabi ni Baba. Rest. Okay, sit there ba? Still more time ba? I will go toilet, ah. Okay. Lakad-lakad muna tayo dito dahil maaga pa. Alhamdulillah, we are in Bangkok Airport now.
Night time.
Yeah, we are tired of our face, very tired. But later we will eat. Nandito na kami ngayon sa Bangkok. Tired, pagod ang mother nyo. Sundo namin. Hinahanap na ni Baba. Yeah. Inaantok na ako. It's already 10:45 na dito sa Bangkok. Sobrang pagod na ang mother nyo. At malayo pa ang aming biyahe papunta sa hotel. Tsaga pa more. Ayan, hinahanap na ni Baba ang driver namin. Nasa na kaya? Ba! Where is he? Ayan. Sana makita na ni Baba. Pagoda na. Kain muna ako ng mamon. Gutom na. Buti may dala ako. Bumili ako ng Goldilocks for emergency. Kain muna ako ng isang mamon dahil sobrang gutom na ang mother nyo. Wala pa yung driver dito. Ibang pwesto pala siya naghihintay. Nako! Pinagod kami ng driver na to. Pagoda na. Tinaantok na kami. Sana naman kaya ba? Saan ba siya naghihintay, ha? Where he's waiting? Ay, ay naku, sobrang pagod at inaantok ng mother nyo. Tsaga pa more. Sana makita na namin siya. Kanina pa kami paikot-ikot dito. Di pa namin siya makita. Sana makita na namin siya.
Hungry, ha?
Yeah. While waiting for the driver, gutom ng mother nyo. Gutom na ako. Buti may emergency food tayo from Goldilocks, ha?
Okay.
Thanks God, nandito na ang aming sundo. Finally. Kabongka.
You know the address, brother? You know the hotel? Not the Lunita, no.
Ayan.
Another one. Morning. First day in a Blue Star Hotel.
Bangkok, Thailand.
Yeah, back in Thailand.
You sleep good ba?
I sleep good, yes.
You are ready now, ah?
I sleep good because maybe you are tired, but
We are tired.
it was a short flight from Philippines to Thailand. It was just 3 hours.
Yes, 3
We
hours.
came here on an airport, good service, and there is people with us from hotels, and they
And-
took us to hotel yesterday. We
Yes.
came here.
Now it's time to eat.
Now time to eat, yes.
We are hungry. They have breakfast buffet here in hotel. We need to eat ba?
Okay.
Ready. Ready ng baba. Good morning. First day at Bangkok, Thailand. Back to Thailand.
Are you hungry?
Baba. Yes. Ready na ang mother nyo. Ayan. Ready na. Ready na tayo dahil gutom na kami. Kagabi nakarating kami dito ng 12 o'clock. Hindi pa kami kumain. Isang mamon lang from Goldilocks at Pulveron. Tinis namin ni Baba kasi sarado lahat ng mga store ngayon. Kakain na ng buffet. May buffet sila dito sa hotel. Ready na tayo ba?
Good.
Go! Papunta na kami sa restaurant ni Baba ngayon. Which floor ba? Ayan ang hotel dito, mga room. Tulog pa ang aming brother-in-law. Susunod na lang daw siya sa restaurant.
Restaurant, maybe what's up? We want to eat.
It's beautiful here, the hotel, big. Big hotel they have here. It's beautiful. Relaxing muna ba? Nice, ah. The food here in hotel, delicious.
Yeah, excuse me. You're included.
Okay ba? Start now. Take food now. Thai food. But there's fried rice also.
Soup, right?
The plate. Take the plate ba? Plate ba here? Here. Ba, take food now. Yung almusal namin ni Baba ngayon, Thai food. At meron silang lugaw dito, Thai lugaw. What do you call that? Ayan, parang Filipino lugaw. Eat now ba? Enjoy breakfast.
You didn't like rice?
It's good.
Good.
You like it again, ha? I know.
Now
Soup, vegetable soup. And I take same lugaw. Same arroz caldo,
very
Thailand.
good. Not salty.
Yeah.
You try
Not salty,
give me
ah.
a scaldo this.
Okay. Good, ah. Ito yung kinuha ni Baba. Pareho kami.
Yeah, delicious.
Try natin yung kanilang lugaw. Delicious ba? Same Philippine. But delicious. Good. Try the fried rice.
How's it looking? Good?
Very good. I'm hungry. I will eat this all. I'm hungry. Very tasty and delicious. You know, Thailand food.
Can I see lagaw?
The lugaw Thailand. Good.
Thailand lagaw, yeah.
I take Ovaltine. Delicious. Delicious. Oh, I will eat a lot here.
Good food.
Ayan, maglalakad muna tayo after eating ba. Ang dami nating nakain ba. Lakad-lakad muna. Ito yung aming hotel dito. Ayan. Diyan kami naka-stay. Parang nasa kami, province. After 1 week, papunta kami sa Bangkok City. Ayan. Ang ganda dito. Gusto namin dito fresh. Ayan. Parang nasa Arayat ka lang, ha ba? Same Arayat. Nice.
Same Arayat.
Same Arayat, ha ba? Nice, ha? Same Arayat. Ayan. No, it's not lemongrass.
Same Arayat.
Same Arayat, yeah.
Where are you going?
Ang dami namin nakain ni Baba, kaya maglalakad-lakad muna kami. Ang ganda dito, parang nasa Arayat ka lang. Ayan, parang nasa Pilipinas ka lang. Ang ganda. Maghahanap kami ng grocery, bibili kami ng water at some foodie. Ay, may 7-Eleven. Ay, ito lang pala yung 7-Eleven nila dito. Malapit lang. Nice, so show them ba?
That's we can go afternoon.
Ba, 7-Eleven.
Yeah. We can go afternoon that side.
Yeah. Bili muna tayo ng mga water. Bibili tayo na makakain dito ba? Ito lang kasi malapit na store sa aming hotel kung saan kami naka-stay. Ayan, mga Thailand food. Pili na tayo ba? Ito yung mga sardines nila dito sa Thailand. Ayan, what's that? Ketchup? Don't take the ketchup. Ba, sit down first before we go up. At may swimming pool din sila dito. Ayan. Okay, sit down first ba? Dito muna kami tatambay ni Baba. Ang ganda dito, oh. Ayan ang kanilang swimming pool dito sa hotel. Tomorrow you will go swim? Okay. Ayan ang laki ng swimming pool nila dito. Puntahan natin si Baba dito. Ay, may small gym sila dito, no?
Small gym.
You want to walk?
No, no.
You're full.
You want to jump?
Tamim. Yeah. Kasama namin dapat si Namudra dito, mga kapatid at mga anakis. Ayaw nila. Kaya iniwan muna namin sila sa Pinas. Balik kami after 14 days. Ayaw nila. Gusto nila sa Pinas. Doon daw muna sila, pati mga bata. You know what Tamim told me? After we go yesterday, he told me he will go Arayat. He will visit. He have planned too much, this boy. Shui-shui ba, ha? Shui-shui not good for you. Shui-shui. May treadmill din sila dito. Yun ang swimming pool nila. Katapat lang ng gym. Ang laki ng pool na yan. After mag-gym ng mga tao dito, diretso na sila sa pool. Pasmang katapat. Now, start treadmill ba? So that you will burn the calories there you eat. Nag-start na mag-walking si Baba. Good. Start slow first ba?
Good for Yusuf.
Good for Yusuf Aisha Tamimen Khalid.